Okay, in this next one, we will see types of repairs in the buildings. Okay, types of repairs in the buildings. First one, we will go into the preventive repairs. Okay, preventive repairs. This maintenance, preventive maintenance is carried out to avoid the breakdown. Okay, these are the things which will be done before the failure itself. Okay, it's called as preventive, to avoid breakdown of machinery and occurrence of maintenance problems in buildings and services. To these are done before the failure itself. Okay, works of preventive maintenance are carried out on the basis of, very important word, regular inspection survey. Okay, once in a 3 months, once in a 6 months, or alternate what is that, alternate month also. These are the done in regular inspection survey. Okay. Now, what is this? Preventive maintenance includes works to prevent deterioration, to prevent the deterioration of building parts which depend upon generally climatic conditions, pollution, fungi, insect attack, subsidence, flooding, intensity of usage, careless usage, and seepage. These are the factors which will make a building maintenance as a preventive maintenance. Okay, it is always cheaper and easier than repair work. Okay, you are doing allotting a proper amount in the repair budget, such that every month or every alternate month these preventive maintenance works will be carried out. Okay, examples of this preventive maintenance activities are contained in the preventive maintenance checklist. There will be a checklist which shows what are the preventive works, what are the preventive maintenance activities are as follows. Let us see one by one. Okay, so one example of this preventive repair checklist. This is a normal or common format. Date submitted to the owner or that committee, prepared by the inspector, name approved by some local committee. Okay, so in that, maybe first one you can go for roof. In that, what activities you are going to check? Okay, clean drains and keep them clear. Okay, check the cracks or the blisters in the roof and repair as needed. Say you need to tick yes or no in the checklist itself. Sweep off any standing water after rain. Okay, after the rain some water may be stagnated, you have to remove. So these are some of the activities which which comes under preventive repair work. These are called as preventive repair work: cleaning, maintaining, checking the small cracks and repairing. Okay, windows and doors, what are the things? Keep all the window wooden parts freshly painted. Okay, that is a painting part. Checking the putty and replacement of that needed. Okay, lubricating the hinges and locks. Okay, lubricating the hinges and locks mechanism frequently, especially in wet and cold weather. Checking the latches and locks and repair and replace immediately. For windows and doors, paints, putty work, locks, hinges, latches and locks. Okay, these are the important points. In exam, they are going to ask prepare a preventive maintenance checklist or give an example of preventive maintenance with the help of some checklist activities. The question may be like this. For plumbing activities, leaky faucets, okay, maybe taps, maybe pipe elbows, maybe something like that. Checking the plumbing leaks and repair them. Okay, clean out the sink traps. Clean out the sink traps to avoid the stagnation. Building trap if draining is slow. Okay, if the draining of water is slow, so you need to check the plumbing leakages, or what is that, sinking sink traps. Okay, for electrical work, oh, kind of an important one. Check the operation of all the appliances and lighting. All the appliances include ventilation, heating, everything. Make sure there is a easy access to meter and switches. Meter and switches should be easily accessible. If your building has a fuse rather than circuit breaker, replace the fuses. Okay, as and when needed, keep a good supply available. Okay, if fuses are there, you need to replace them frequently. Make sure that correct amperage fuses are being used. Okay, correct quality of fuses. Keep meters clean as well as lit. Okay, exterior walls, for what you can do: check the condition of mortar between bricks, repair them. Check the condition of caulking, weather seal around the windows. Okay, ceiling portion of windows, doors, skylights, repair works. So some of the components in the exterior walls. Okay, for heating, for a big apartment, there will be centralized heating unit for water, cooking, okay, clothing operation, washing operations. So all those things, heating room is always there. So you need to check that boiler room such that fuel is already there or not. Check the water level of the boiler daily. Keep the boiler room neat and clean. Okay. Blow down means what? Remove the water frequently, once in a week. Clean or replace boiler's oil filter. Okay. Filter should be replaced once in a month whenever you get a fuel delivery during the heating season. Okay, drain the heating risers annually. Drain the heating risers annually means you need to clean the pipes. Okay, the risers are nothing but small conduits of water from where water is get from the boilers to the supply. Check the low water shut off valve for the proper operation. Okay, for security and fire safety, what are the activities? Preventive checklist. Replace the burnt out light bulbs. Replace the burnt out light bulbs. These are very common, but these should be there in the checklist. Check the smoke detectors. Replace the batteries them. Okay. Check to see that all the walls or meters are marked for easily identification in an emergency. So the which one valve operated for which apartment, which section. So all the valves should be marked with number, alphanumeric numbers. Keep all the keys handy for the same purpose. Okay, you need to keep regarding these keys in a specific locker kind of a thing where easily accessible. It is easily accessible. Other security portions are check and maintenance security of front and rear door locks for the safety purpose. Main doors should be checked. Secure the vacant apartment against entry. Okay, the apartments which are empty for a long time, you need to check them whether some entry of other persons have been made or not. Check them regularly. Repair cracks in paths and sidewalks. Okay, check windows guards annually. Repair or replace if necessary. Window guards means the grill portion. Check fire extinguishers every 6 months. The cylinders, the pipe, the hoses, you need to check them clearly. Keep fire escapes and stair corridors free of obstructions. Should not be that crowded with the utensils like some wooden furnitures should not be kept in fire escape. Okay, fire escape and that fire stair corridors.